Meaning of ill-mannered.
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 Ill-mannered. Ill-mannered refers to someone who lacks proper manners or etiquette, and behaves rudely or impolitely. It can also refer to inappropriate or offensive behavior. Someone who is ill-mannered may interrupt others, speak loudly or use vulgar language, ignore social norms, and generally disregard the feelings and opinions of those around them. This type of behavior can be off-putting and make others feel uncomfortable or disrespected. In order to avoid being seen as ill-mannered, it is important to be mindful of social norms and to treat others with respect and kindness.